नमस्कार बच्चों. Today we'll start with another question of invertible functions. Consider f be a function defined from set of positive real numbers to a set of real numbers from closed interval 4 to infinity given by fx is equal to x squared plus 4. Show that f is invertible with f inverse y as root of y minus 4. अच्छा, मैंने दोनों ऑप्शंस करके दिए. फर्स्ट इज we'll prove it as 1 onto function, that is a bijective function, and then we will show that since the function is a bijective function, hence it is invertible, and we'll find the inverse. The another one is by using composition of two functions f and g. First we'll find a function g, ठीक है, then we'll find Fogg and Goff, and we'll show that they are the identity functions of domain and codomain, and then we will find the inverse of the function. So in this case, to show that this function is 1, what we will do is we will take two elements from this domain, that is let x1 x2 belongs to positive real numbers. We will put f of x1 as equal to f of x2, that is x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. 4 is cancelled out with 4. It implies x1 square is equal to x2 square. It implies x1 is equal to x2. देखिए, क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स है इसलिए x1 इज इक्वल टू प्लस x2 आया है. अगर ये सिर्फ r होता तो x1 इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस x2 होता, एंड इन दैट केस ये फंक्शन 1 नहीं होता. ठीक है, इसीलिए इसकी जो डोमेन है इट इज डिफाइंड एज r प्लस, अदरवाइज ये फंक्शन 1 नहीं होता. सो इट इंप्लाइज x1 इज इक्वल टू x2, हेंस द फंक्शन इज 1. To show that this function is onto, we'll take any arbitrary element from its codomain. So let y belongs to codomain minus 4 to infinity. We'll put y is equal to fx. It implies y is equal to x squared plus 4. Now we'll solve to get x in terms of y. So x is equal to root of y minus 4. Clearly for all y that belongs to closed interval 4 to infinity, x always belongs to positive real numbers. It implies range of f is closed interval 4 to infinity. Now range of f is closed interval 4 to infinity. Also it is given that codomain of f is closed interval 4 to infinity. It implies range of f is equal to codomain of f. Hence the function is onto. Therefore the function is a bijection since it is 1 as well as onto. So this is a bijection. Now if the function is bijective, it means it is invertible. Hence f is invertible. Now we will consider a new function g which is defined from closed interval 4 to infinity r plus, such that g of y is equal to under root of y minus 4. Therefore inverse of f is equal to g. It implies f inverse y is equal to g of y is equal to root of y minus 4. Alternate method is, first we'll find a function g, or we will define a function g. So we'll take any arbitrary element from the codomain. So let y belongs to closed interval 4 to infinity. We'll put y is equal to fx, that is y is equal to x squared plus 4. Now we will solve this to get x in terms of y. It implies x is equal to y minus 4, square root of y minus 4. Now we will consider a function g which is defined from closed interval 4 to infinity to r plus, such that g of y is taken as root of y minus 4. Now we will find g of x, that is composition of f and g. G of is g of x, fx is x square plus 4. So g of x square plus 4 means we need to replace y. We need to replace y with x square plus 4. तो यहाँ पे आप x square plus 4 डाल दें तो x square plus 4 minus 4 ये रहा, minus 4 plus 4 are cancelled out, so it is under root of x square which is equal to x. And now we will find Fogg y, that is the composition of g and f. F of g is f of gy. F of what is g of y? Root of y minus 4. ठीक है, g of y root y minus 4. तो we need to find f of root y minus 4. देखिए बच्चों, f of x क्या है? x square plus 4, और हमें निकालना है f of root y minus 4. तो we need to replace this x with रूट ऑफ y माइनस 4. तो हम यहां पे x को रिप्लेस करेंगे रूट y माइनस 4, तो x को डालेंगे आप रूट y माइनस 4 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4, रूट y माइनस 4 स्क्वायर इज y माइनस 4 and this is plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 are cancelled out, so we'll get y. Clearly GOF is x, that is GOF is identity function of positive real numbers or identity function of domain, and FOG is y. It implies FOG is an identity function of codomain or an identity function of closed interval 4 to infinity. It implies f is invertible and f inverse is equal to g. It implies f inverse y is equal to g of y, which is equal to under root of y minus 4. I hope this is clear, students. Thank you.